guys, so if you guys plan on doing something like me, don't be stupid. Glue all your stuff together first, including adding the string before you paint anything. It just adds so many unnecessary steps having to go back and retouch up on painting because it's gonna chip and it's gonna be scraped. And you'll probably get fingerprints everywhere, so you're gonna have to repaint it anyway. Save yourself some time and do it in a sensible order. So welcome to today's video. Today I am putting together my chicken, well, my rooster, and the dangly eggs. You can probably hear my chickens because I was just playing with them. You'll see them at the end of the video. So when you're attaching your string, I chose to use a clear string, but when you're attaching your string, make a lot of like knots and like bows and stuff for the glue to catch on and kind of make a mess with the string between your two layers if you're doing it this way, because it'll hold on better. So I ran out of storage space again, and so you missed painting the back of the rooster and attaching the string to the back of the eggs and stuff and painting the eggs. And so anyway, it's all just repetitive stuff anyway. It's pretty straightforward. I'm just adding a bunch of thin coats over and over and over. I'm just switching back and forth between the red and the white. They're usually pretty much dry by the time I'm done. That's about all I have to do. And then I just kind of hung the eggs on the tail and the feet of the rooster. By the way, hot glue works very well for this, so I highly recommend using that kind of glue. You could glue the strings in place if you wanted to, but I don't plan on taking mine outside, and I don't want it to get tangled because the string seems to get tangled very easily, so I'm just leaving them loose so I can detangle them anytime I need to. My chickens are expecting mealworms or oatmeal or something. That's why they're interested in why I'm so close to the coop. They also really like chest rubs. Their feather follicles are coming off and their big bird feathers are coming in. So that's very exciting. They're looking really pretty. I've been taking them outside and they've been eating so many bugs and anthills, and their feathers are looking so pretty. Like, they even have like a teal blue tint to them, which is not what I expected, and I am very pleased because they match my hair, because that's what color my hair is. So it's so perfect. It makes me so excited. I love it so much. So I've got a few minutes of footage of my chickens that I'm showing you. So if you don't want to watch them, you can skip to the end, but I haven't shown them much and I've been talking about them a lot, so I just wanted you to see them. So here they are. These chickens make me so happy. I used to have a silky in the city, but you're not allowed to have a rooster in the city, so I had to get rid of them. But these guys are so fun. I think one's a boy and one's a girl, but I'm not entirely sure. That's going off of a feather test I did when I first got them and how fast their tails and their combs are growing. So that's my best guess. I hope you had fun this week playing with some clay. I definitely did. Share your work on social media. I hope you have a great weekend and happy crafting.